Welcome to JH. I started using Toniiq testosterone support a few weeks ago, and the first thing I noticed is just how easily it fits into my daily routine. The capsules are smooth and reasonably sized, so you won't feel like you're trying to swallow a medium-sized pebble every morning. Because let's be honest, if a supplement is a chore to swallow, it usually ends up forgotten at the back of the cabinet next to that ancient bottle of multivitamins. Since starting, I've felt a much more consistent stream of energy throughout the day, and my workouts actually feel productive without the dreaded post-supplement crash. It's a nice change of pace to finish a gym session without feeling like a vibrating leaf or a total zombie. The formula itself is a bit of a greatest hits for vitality, packing in tribulus, tonkat ali, fidogia, and ashwagandha. Basically, all the ingredients people struggle to pronounce but definitely want for their hormone health. Beyond the physical perks, my mood has stayed surprisingly balanced, and my stress levels are actually manageable during those busy workdays. My boss is still annoying, of course, but now I just care a little bit less. I also appreciate that it's free from the usual fillers and mysterious additives that plague the industry. Overall, Toniiq is a solid, natural option for anyone looking to boost their levels and general wellness. It's certainly a more dignified approach than just yelling at the mirror and hoping for a miracle.